YouTube, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, I bought this ring light off of Amazon. I am going to leave the exact link to the ring light in my description box. So if you wish to purchase the same ring light, or if you want more info on the ring light, you could click the link in my description box and it will take you straight to the Amazon page. This ring light, it is the Neewer ring light. So the brand of the ring light is actually Neewer. Neewer ring light. In this ring light kit, I got 9 items. I actually got info listing, or should I say a packing list in the ring light kit, but I'm going to just read from it to give you guys a rundown of all the things that I got in the package. And as I said, I got 9 items. So first things first, I got a dimmable ring light, which is this bad boy right here. Next, I got the smartphone holder, which is this part. Next, I got the Bluetooth receiver, which is this thing here. And this is for if you're trying to take pictures without touching your phone, you pair the Bluetooth thingy here to your phone and you can take pictures. Your phone could be right there and you're taking pictures all the way over here without touching your phone. The next item that I got is the power adapter, which is basically the cards to attach your ring light to power, of course. The next thing I got is the soft tube. This here is the soft tube. The next thing I got is the ball head. And this is the ball head. This is what you actually attach your phone holder to put your phone in the socket of the ring light. Next, I got the ring light stand. The next item I have is the white and orange color filter set. So it's like this when it goes on the ring light. And the next thing I got, I really appreciate this so much, because before purchasing this ring light, I was like, I'm going to need something to put my ring light in. For example, if I want to record at another family member's house or something, at a friend's house or something, I could travel with my ring light. And I really appreciate the fact so much that I actually got a ring light back. It has the brand of the ring light and everything. You can hold it using this part, and it comes with the extension straps if you want. I love this. So yeah, that is all the 9 items that I got in this ring light kit. Now for the juicy part, that's fixing the ring light up. First, I'm starting off with the tripod stand, which is the ring light stand, of course. It opens up like this. You can fit it to stand like this or to be more open like that, or even flat like this, but I Also guys, when you're fitting this ring light up, I realized that all these knobs right here, these are what you use to manipulate the tightness of the ring light. Next, I'm going to apply the soft tube. Again, the knobs, these are what you use to tighten the ring light. Next, I'm going to be putting the actual ring light on the soft tube. I know it's a bit like tall or whatever, but let me just extend it. Now I'm going to attach the ball head to the phone holder. I rather the smartphone holders that I could just manipulate to either landscape or portrait, but with this one, if I want to put it in landscape, I would have to use this part. If I want to put it in portrait, I'd have to use this side. So that's just what I didn't like about this part in particular, but it's fine. I just need to change it to whatever side or way I want to have my phone when recording. Now for the filters, I'm not going to use the orange one. I'm going to use the white one. Also, you want to ensure that everything clicks. If it does not click, it is not going to stay put, or you will have a bad view of the light showing. So the light would be coming out through the different sections that weren't sealed properly. Yes, sir, ski. Now for the adapter. Okay, so the tricky part for me with the adapter is that when I placed it in here, which is the right place to go, it is just stuck like right there. It does not seal down. I don't know if I think it probably should have sealed down, but it doesn't seal. But it's it's no big deal, it works anyways, and it is apparently it is not supposed to be sealed because I've been watching some reviews and stuff and it doesn't seal. But yeah, now I'm going to connect this part to this part is for your plugs, and this part you're supposed to attach it to this that is on the ring light itself. And when you get that click, it's on, right? Now I'm going to plug it in. So I just plugged it in. I don't know why I set it facing you guys when clearly you want to see how it looks on me, but ta-da! So now it is off. Now it is on at its lowest. I'm going to make it go to its brightest. That's the highest. Ooh. But let me turn it towards me. Okay, so my phone is in the smartphone holder on the ring light as we speak. Now I'm going to turn it on to show you guys the look. Okay, so this is definitely showing y'all how oily my makeup is. I have had this makeup on for like the entire day, but that's the highest. Guys, my eyes, this thing is so bright. That's the lowest. Oh, I am going to close the curtains because I did not have a ring light, I usually record in front of my windows and just have the curtains spread apart. So I'm going to close the curtains to see the full effect of the ring light. Okay, so the curtains are closed. Let's see what's up with the ring This is the lowest, and the one that I had it on first was the highest. I really like the ring light so far. I've yet to start recording with it, but my next video I will be using it. Also, I'm going to start doing some makeup videos now. So everyone that has been asking for like makeup videos and stuff, your wish is my command. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, please remember to follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. You can click the links down below in my description box and they'll take you straight to my social media pages. That is it for me today, guys. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys.